Just look at that. That is toading the whole pie made. Oh, that is incredible. Now I've gone for a corner. I want that crispiness. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, toading the whole pie. I know you're going to say, why? But toading the whole pie, we're going to give it a go. We're going to make it in the air fryer. I've got some sausages. These are Cumberland sausages, and we're going to make it in this pot thing. Not a problem. In here, flour, a little bit of salt, and I'm going for a little bit of pepper, a little bit of seasoning in my Yorkshire pudding mix. That's nice and steady, look. Bring that in there. I've got some milk in here, and I've got a little bit of water in there. Now people say, why do you put water in with the milk? Well, it evaporates in the heat, causing it to up and expand. They say you get a crispier batter, they say. In here, eggs. In here, milk and eggs. We're done with a bigger bowl. In here, our flour mix, our milk, eggs, water mix. Give it a little one of those. Let's bring it all in. Yorkshire pudding made, sausages, oil, oven on. I'm using the air fryer 180. Not interested in screaming hot pans and things like that. Yorkshire pudding mix, if you see my video before, rises up like making a cake. We don't want to burn the heck out of the sausages. On it goes. Sausages to cook. What we're going to do is brown the sausages. We're going to turn them over in there, you know, bring it out, turn them over, and then when we think the sausages are virtually done, which is going to be about 15 minutes or thereabouts, I reckon, in here, I'll just bring it out, and then these wonderful sausages should be browned all over, and we'll chuck the Yorkshire pudding batter mix in there, make a toad in the hole, shove it back in. Right, that's warmed enough. It's been on a second. It doesn't really matter. We want it on, and we want to be cooking the sausages, so we're going to go for about 25 minutes, but we're going to turn the sausages over. We want to brown them all the way around. So when your sausages have been cooking a little bit, look, they've only been cooking 10 minutes. We're going to turn them over. Then we're going to put them back in. As you can see, look. Oh, the skins have gone there, but that doesn't matter. We need to brown up. Hey! We need to brown up this side. After all, we want them cooked, don't we? Must be thin skins, because it's only cooking in a pot. Anyway, we're not bothered about that. In it goes. Keep on cooking. Okay, we've got enough on there, I think. Let's bring that out. Lovely jubbly. I've got a nice little cook on those sausages. Let's turn them back again. Okay, in there with our batter mix. Back in the oven, 20 25 minutes. Make some mashed potatoes, you're going to need them, grate some cheese, and if you can, whip up a little bit of onion gravy, chop some onions, fry them in a pan, mix up some gravy granules, put a little bit of butter with your onions, chuck in the gravy mix, make a thick gravy, job done. We've got 20 minutes going on in there. It's going to go back in. Whoa, come on. Look at that thing. So this is where the cooking becomes fun cooking. On there with our thick gravy that we've just made, our thick gravy paste. Now you have to make it thick because it is going to liquefy, but we actually want it as a paste to sit on the top of there under the mashed potato. And then we're taking mashed potato and it's going over the top. So come down the middle like you would normally do. And then into the sides and the back. Now it could run over this, we're not worried, it's on a tray. So work your mashed potato, come all the way to the edge. We're going to use the Yorkshire pudding as like a pastry base really. That should hold most of it in there. Now it will bubble. There is nothing to worry about. And come on, it's not going to be a crazy English idea without some cheddar cheese over the top. That back in the oven for about 15 minutes. Melt all that cheese. Okay, my nose is telling me that this is coming out. So we've had, let's count to 4 minutes. Look at that. That looks absolutely amazing. We're going to let it cool a little bit and then we're going to cut it and we're going to have it. Oh, it smells delicious. Okay, we can't wait too long for this. I've got to get in. Now we know that there's 5 sausages in there somewhere, but we are just going to cut straight down the middle, and that should cut all those sausages in half. Okay, we're in on the corner. I've got to have a corner. We're going in. Oh, we are in on the corner. Oh, look at that thing. Just look at that. That is toting the whole pie made. Oh, that is incredible. Now I've gone for a corner. I want that crispiness. Now this is an absolute must dig in. I love toad in the hole. I love mashed potatoes. I love cheddar cheese. I love onion gravy. It's all in there. Serve that with some peas. You've got the all-in-one perfect meal. Now on this side, crispy Yorkshire pudding. So here we go. In here we got the sausage, we got the mashed potato, we got our Yorkshire pudding because it's toad in the hole. Oh, flipping awesome. That is incredible. Oh, crunch through that Yorkshire pudding. Oh. We got that lovely loose gravy. You know, we made it quite thick, but you know, when you reheat it, it loosens up and obviously it's inside there. We've got a lovely moist interior, and if you like your Coleman's on there, oh, in we go. First on the internet, never been done before, incredible. You know what this channel's about? This channel is about cooking real food. Real food on this channel. You know, cooking is fun. You take no notice of all that tosh that we've been bombarded with over the years. Enjoy, experiment. A cracking meal right there. Can't stop eating it. It's delicious. Look, fantastic, fantastic. If you like Yorkshire pudding, you like sausages, you like toad in the hole, you like mash, you like cheddar, you like onion gravy, bang, it's for you. That is a superb, superb meal. Stick it with some peas, like I say, something like that, all in one. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends, share all over, tell them about the toad in the hole pie. I think they'll be amazed. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video when I'm going to be a bit fatter because I'm finishing this and I'm having some more. Oh, that is... that is absolutely amazing.